Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change theme in your Oppo A31. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Oppo A31 and you might be want to change theme in your phone. In order to do that, you need to go on your device settings section. After click over there, you need to click here, home screen, lock screen, magazine. So whenever you click there, under you will find something called set theme. If you click there, you will see there will be appear a bunch of theme which is already preloaded in your phone. You can choose any of them phone, or if you want to download more, you can easily click here, download more. For example, I want to choose this theme in my Oppo A31. So what you need to go into click, you can see this is the preview looks, and if you click here apply, my whole phone are going to be apply this. Just now I had set the theme, you can see it now changes. So this is how you can easily set or change theme in your Oppo A31. Let me share it again. Let me set another one again. Into what you need to go do to click here setting, and then click here home screen and lock screen, magazine, set theme, and you can choose your favorite theme easily. So this is how you can easily set theme in your Oppo A31. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.